Uma mucemanio wa kwamukira ateti aria marathamire kiama kia Jubilee na kuingira kiama kia maendeleo Chapchap ciikaro-ini nene cia kiama kia maendeleo Chapchap guku Nairobi. Maendeleo aria mamukeirwo ni hamwe na ateti kuma kaunti ya Embu, matongoritwe ni Senator Lenny Kivuti, munini wa governor wa Embu Dorothy Nditi, mubunge wa Mbeere North Muriuki Njagagua na muteti Emilio Kathuri. Ateti acio maugite marathamire Jubilee thutha wa kwaga mwihoko na mutaratara wa wamurani kiama-ini kia Jubilee.
If you are going to be in charge of nomination and you have a candidate, there's no way you can tell me it is going to be free and fair.
Kini tunataka a system that is free and fair. And for that reason, ndio tuko hapa.
Muteti Kilemi Mweria uri uratanya kuhuranira giturwa kia ugavana Meru onake auma mucemanio-ini ucio.
So I mean, for me, I feel that I found a good home and I will do everything I can to support the growth of this political party.
Ateti acio maugite meguthie na mbere kunyita mbaru President Uhuru Kenyatta ona thengia ya guthama Jubilee.
But our candidate of choice is President Uhuru Kenyatta, who we believe shares the same principles of development.
Akiamukira ateti acio mutongoria wa kiama kia maendeleo Chapchap uria nowe governor wa Machakos Alfred Mutua augite ateti makiria kuma ciama citiganite bururi-ini ni matanyitwo guthamira kiama kiu.
This party is called Maendeleo Chapchap. Maendeleo kwa sababu wananchi wanataka maendeleo. Chapchap kwa sababu wananchi wamechoka kungojea. Tutangojea mpaka lini?
No ona kuri uguo ateti amwe a Jubilee matongoretio ni uria wari muikariri giti wa kamiti ya kumba kiama kia Jubilee Kiraitu Murungi maugite aria marathama Jubilee ni gwitigira maretigirire mutaratara wa wamurani.
There are many candidates who don't believe that the Jubilee nominations are going to be free and fair, and they are seeking to create situations where they will avoid nominations and go straight for elections.
Kiraitu atetirithitie ati Jubilee nayo no irathie na mbere kugia hinya tondu no iramukira ateti makiria aria marathama ciama ingi na kuingira Jubilee.
Those who feel confident will remain in Jubilee, and for me, I'm remaining in Jubilee. I'm appealing to others to remain in Jubilee.
Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.